Welcome back to Daily Tutorials. In today's video, we are going to learn how to create your Amino app account or how to sign up for Amino app. Before starting, you can subscribe to our channel for more videos and updates. So let's get started. As you can see on my screen that I have already installed Amino app from my Play Store. You can also get it in App Store or Play Store and then tap on open option on the top right corner of the list to open it. You are onto the very first section of the Amino app, but you are not logged in and you do not have any of the account. So to simply create one, all you have to do is tap on this me option on the bottom right corner of the list. This will give you an option of sign up or login. Tap on it. Just by doing it, you will be popped out with two of the option. It's either to get sign up or to get logged in. I am going to tap on sign up since we are going to create one account. So tap on sign up. And I'm going to choose email address since we are going to get signed up with our email address. Now I have an option of choosing my location and my birth date. Tap on this NDA option and scroll down to find your own location. I am going to tap on mine and tap on this birth date and choose your birth year, birth month, and then your birth date. And when you're done, tap on this OK option next to cancel. Now tap on next option when you're done with both of the location and the birth date details. Now enter your email address and tap on verify email just below, and if it is correct, tap on yes option next to edit. Just by doing it, you can see that you'll get a verification code on your email address. I'm going to go and check there. You can see that I'm on to my home section of my email address, and on the top of the list I do have a notification from the Amino team. You can see now you can tap on this link below to get the verification code. Alright, I do have a verification code, so I am going to insert it to my Amino app section again, just like this. And when you're done, you can tap on next. Now I have an option of creating a password. I'm going to create a very stronger password, minimum of 6 characters. And when you're done, you can tap on this next option below. Now you have an option of choosing your own username and then putting your own photo. Tap on this photo option and you can simply tap on camera if you want to take photo immediately at the moment, or tap on gallery and choose one of the pictures just like this. Tap on the stick option in the top right corner of the list. You can see that your profile picture has been updated, and if you're okay with the username, you can tap on this I agree to Amino's terms of service and privacy policy option next to this blank section. Tap on it and now tap on finish signing up below. Just by doing it, you can see that your account has been created and you can get started all over again. By tapping on the start option, you can choose your own gender. I'm going to choose female. You can choose off your own and tap on this blank section below what's your age and choose your age just like this. And when you're done, you can tap on done option below and you can switch to the next step. And to the second part of this step, you have an option of personalizing your own content that you see. I'm going to choose off my own, and when you're done, you can tap on this step 2 out of 3 again. And just by doing it, you'll be taken to the next section where you can choose from your own categories and take a deeper section to it and choose at least 4 topics that you are interested on. You're done, you can tap on this next option below. And just by doing it, you can see that this is my home section and I have been loaded with all of the categories that I have been choosing. You can tap on this me option in the bottom right and make sure that this is your own profile. Yes, this is my own profile with the name Vibes Matter 531. So this is how you do it. This is how you create your Amino account and get sign up for your Amino app. So I hope this video was really helpful for you and I was able to help you. I'm going to see you in the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe, and goodbye.